Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a fun Halloween dessert. I picked up these glasses this afternoon at Dollar General for $1 each. So you will need some gummies, those are gummy eyeballs, gummy snakes, and gummy worms, 2 things of Cool Whip, a chocolate cake, and you will also need some Oreos. Almost forgot, you will also need some pudding. So cake, pudding, Cool Whip, Oreos, and gummies. And my daughter, she did this one for me. Actually, she did all of them, and she did a great job. So it's a fun project to get your little ones involved. It'd be really good to do with your smaller, younger kids. It might be a little messy, but it's still fun. My daughter, she enjoyed doing these. She had fun. And like I said, they turn out really sweet and cute. And they're perfect for Halloween. So in this part, she's just showing you how to layer it. She started with the chocolate cake, then Cool Whip, and then she's going to do the pudding, then another layer of Cool Whip, and then cake again and Cool Whip, and sprinkle on top with the Oreos, and then she'll add the gummies. But you can change it up a bit. You can have white cake or vanilla cake and vanilla pudding. You could have the vanilla Oreos. So it's whatever you want, what flavors you like that works best for your family. But like I said, it's fun to put everything in little bowls and let your kids help out. And these glasses were only $1 each at Dollar General. And they're selling out fast. So if you have a Dollar General close to you, I would stop by and pick these up quickly. I think there was one left after I got mine. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet now. And I hope you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And in the comment section, I will leave the recipe. And I appreciate you watching. And thank you to all of you that have subscribed. And I appreciate all the kind comments. And let me know what other fun things you would like for me to record for you. We're going to try to make it to TJ Maxx and Marshall's and some of those stores next. So thank you so much for watching.